In this video, I am going to show you how you can mint some cheap NFTs on the Zora network in order to be eligible for potential Zora airdrop. Now please note that none of this is a financial advice, do your own research. Now before we go on to NFT minting, I would like to thank my community and my viewers for helping me reach 1000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. Now let's get straight into the video. Now Zora has raised around 60 million US dollars as funding, and currently it's valued around 600 million, which is a decent valuation, and we can expect a decent airdrop from Zora if any. Now I have made a separate video as to how you can go ahead and complete certain tasks on the Zora in order to get some additional boost for potential Zora airdrop. Now the first thing that you will need to do for the NFT minting is you will need to go to chainlist.org over here, and you have to search for Zora and add the Zora network to your Metamask wallet. If you have already done it, then it's perfectly fine. If not, then you can go ahead and do it over here. Now the next thing that you will need to do is you will need to bridge some Ethereum to Zora network. Now I would advise is at least use their official bridge once, which is bridge.zora.energy, links in the description. And once you go ahead and transfer it, it might take some time for the ETH to reflect on your Zora network. Now once you have ETH on your Zora network, you can go to zora.co over here, and you can actually go ahead and mint some NFTs. Now I have made a list of different NFTs that you can go ahead and mint on Zora, and please note that some of them are my referral links, so I get a small cut out of the mint that you guys do. Now for example, there is this early job mint over here. So if I go ahead and click over here, as you can see, the price of the mint is like only 0.00177 ETH. Now most of the mints that I have talked about are less than $10. Some of them are even lower than that, like $1 or $2. So if you want to go ahead and mint any one of these, you can go ahead and mint this. And there are also different NFTs that you can mint on Zora. You can check out my other video, links in the description. Now apart from minting on zora.co, you can go to layer3.xyz over here, click on open app, and go in layer 3 and search for ecosystem Zora. And currently there are 4 quests, I think so, that are available. You can go ahead and complete each one of those. Once again, links in the description, you can use it. And this is how you can basically go ahead and mint some cheaper NFTs on Zora network. And once again, none of this was a financial advice, do your own research. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.